Alright guys, so this will be a very quick and simple install. But I did want to come to you guys to explain why I use 2 ankle braids. So my hair, once it's like pulled back, it does get very sleek. So I did learn from previous installs that I need to have ankle braids. So that's simply why I did this. I didn't do them too defined because this is curly hair, so I wanted it to kind of match with the texture of it. So that's all I did. I literally parted out the center, braided it back, and then put it in my low bun. Because it is a curly texture, the bun will not show. So that's literally how she's looking back there. To make this a protective style, you guys can use some conditioner and stuff in your bun, ponytail. You can do twists, braids, anything. But this is just what I'm doing. So I'm just going to be installing this very quickly, and I might as well just go ahead and keep talking through this part. So this is the V part. It's not completely dry, but I did want to come to you guys just to talk about the construction, the 2 combs on the side, the 4 clips in the parting space. I don't really use this clip, but it's there. And then you have a comb in the back. So she's already adjusted. I think I need to readjust her though. And the only thing I'm going to be doing is putting her on my head. I did learn that I need to start clipping a little further back. 1 clip in, 2nd clip in. Just wanted to show you guys how it looked wet. This is the hair. So it's not wet to where it stays on my hand. And we have her. This hair is very pretty wet. I cannot wait to see how she looks dried. And the only thing in this hair is Lotta Body with milk and honey. So that's what's in this right now. So I will come back to you guys when this hair is dry. I don't have a diffuser, so I can't just diffuse her on camera. But this is a quick little texture shot. Very pretty, very pretty. She's very secure, it's not going anywhere. And I'll be right back when she's dry.